What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this, I will say, very popular brand, Scotts. Now I want to let y'all know that most of my backyard is Scotts. I want to say triple seed, the one where it says seed, soil, the 3-in-1 one. I'll post it right there. So I used the sun and shade when I knocked out all the trees. And if you haven't seen my tree video, it's somewhere on my profile. If I forget to put it in the description, then my bad. Now, when I did a reseeding, I did reseed with the Greenview ryegrass. I was just doing a little tester. I did a seeding in this little area right here with a tall fescue Greenview. Now I want to go ahead this season, I want to control weeds as much as possible. It's just infested with crabgrass last year. Right now, nothing has emerged yet besides these little yellow flower weeds. I'll show you that in a little bit. Other than that, we are here. So this is Scotts Triple Action. So it says kills the weeds you see and the others you don't see. Prevents crabgrass for 4 months. Feeds to build thick green lawns. Now, the key to this, a lot of people don't know about. This is 2502. I will post up what they are supposed to be. So basically it's 25 nitrogen. Basically is going to make your grass very, very, very green. All right. Now, the one I seen on Amazon, it wasn't 25, it was like, I think 15 or 20. So both of them do 4,000 square foot, or covers 4,000 square foot right here, but I will say covers up to 4,000 square foot because it depends on your spreader seeding settings that you do. Now we turn it on the back, and basically it lets you know every single detail. Basically what I told y'all already. I might snap a photo for y'all, but it says if you put your, all right here, it says know your lawn size. So they basically saying the average tennis court size is 2,800 square foot. All right, so that's what they're saying that a tennis court size right here is. All right, then you multiply by 1.5, that will give you 4,000 square foot bag. All right, that's what I'm looking at right here. Okay, now me, I'm going to put my settings. I do like what you call spoon feed. So I'm gonna put this on a light setting. I'm not going to put it on a heavy duty setting. I will start it off at 3. If I see that it's using a lot, then I will turn it down a notch, and then I will do the other application at least, I'll say about maybe July, maybe just before the overseeding in August and September. So yeah, all right, other than that, let's go ahead and start putting this stuff down. As y'all know, I already used the 5-in-1, the Bio Advance in the front yard. In the backyard, I want to try this Scotts Triple Action. All right, you guys, so one key thing, it says don't apply if rain is expected within 24 hours. Do not apply this product more than twice per year. Allow at least 2 months between applications of this product. Do not apply if rain is expected within 24 hours after application. Do not water or mow lawn for 24 hours after application. Granules must remain on the weed leaves for 24 hours to be most effective. Do not apply this product in a way that will contact any person or pet, either directly or through drift. And it looked like we have dark clouds out here, so hopefully it don't rain. So if it rain, we will just do it all over again if it washes it away. But there was no rain in the forecast. If it looked like too much, then I might dial it down maybe to like 2.5. Alright, you guys, I want to do a side-by-side with this and the Bio Advance, so I can actually give y'all a little difference on basically the two rules for both of these bags. And yeah, let's go ahead and discuss this, because I think people get this thing misunderstood when it comes to putting this stuff down. So let's go ahead and educate ourselves a little bit. Alright, you guys, so we had no rain in the forecast, and then guess what? We have light drizzles, but it's not seriously raining like heavy rain. So you know, what's the point of putting the weather on the phone and the weather don't do what it's supposed to do? So anyways, we got the triple action there. If it rains heavy rain, like really heavy rain, I'll put another application on if it washes it away, but I doubt that it's gonna rain heavy, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. And they said wait 2 months, so we'll do the little 2-month thing. Other than that, let me sit down and talk to y'all real quick, especially for the ones that really don't know nothing about this granulate that they put down that's sold in all the box stores. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into this discussion as far as putting this granulant down. And yeah, so basically, I'm just going to be flat out with y'all. The people that go to the big box stores are just regular, average people, okay? We're not professionals. We get the bag, and sometimes we don't feel like reading, okay? Some weed and feed are different than other weed and feeds, okay? Now let's take our Bio Advance right here. I'm just gonna go over it real quick. So with the Bio Advance, it says it's best to apply this on wet or dew lawns. So I guess the morning lawn with the morning dampness, this adheres to the damp lawn, okay? Now when you put the triple action on, it says put it on at least, it says I think 24 hours. It says do not apply if rain is expected within 24 hours after application. All right, so if rain is expected, then maybe the rain will wash it away. So that's maybe the difference with this one. Or you might not be able to apply this on wet lawns. It might not work the best on wet lawns. All right, you guys, so we are here, and it is about 3 months later. Y'all know when I do my weed reviews, I actually do it as like a real review. Like, I don't just do it the same day and then try to give y'all a video of, you know, something happening. I try to give you like a 24-hour video, or, you know, a regular test video. So back here, y'all know I use the weed and feed, the triple action. And right here, so somebody in the comments told me that this is Bermuda grass. I'm in the East Coast, I'm in Maryland. I know Bermuda grass grows in the South, so y'all can let me know that, the professionals that knows about weeds. For me, this is crabgrass. Now I ran out of the triple action. I don't have no more, but once again, this is 3 months later. I put 2 applications down, and obviously the crabgrass, or whatever this stuff is, has emerged. I got little clovers over here that emerge. So y'all see the clovers and all that. Yeah, that triple action, the triple action does its thing as far as feeding the lawn. It turns it green, most definitely. And we're coming out of dormancy. We was dormant around June, Like the grass was completely dormant, but now it's coming out, which is weird because this is July. Usually I'm dormant until like the middle of August. Maybe the world is changing, I guess. But yeah, this is the irritating part. So I'm gonna go ahead and start like finding some more weed preventer, killer, or whatever. This stuff right here, whatever you call it, Bermuda crabgrass, this stuff here is invasive. If you look at my lawn transformation from last year, you will definitely see how much of this stuff that I took out. All right. Yeah, so we're back at it again, and I think next year I will use the brand Tenacity. That's what the professionals use. Well, the professional YouTubers. I don't know exactly what the professionals use. But you guys, so other than that, it's not that bad. For what I can see, the grass is coming back very nice. As far as the triple action goes, it actually worked the first couple of months. I put it down in April, and I didn't see no weeds emerge until after dormancy, which was like late June. So not bad at all for the triple action. I gotta do something, you guys. I don't want that stuff to invade the lawn. So right now I will be on the grind, but that's the end of that review. 3 months later. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.